tell me how this happened. It's been 2 years in the making.
Two and a half.
2.5 years?
Yeah.
And now there's this incredible, accessible line of clothes,
Yes.
styled by the two of you, that every one of us out here can go out and buy.
Yes. Honestly, it was so that we could make style and fashion accessible and affordable.
Right.
And we made it specifically for Indian girls with Indian body types.
Thank you.
And so that was our main criteria, but it had to be fashionable, it had to be my aesthetic and my sister's aesthetic. Right. And we wanted to micromanage it as much as we could, and the only people that were going to give us that were Shoppers Stop.
Nice.
Because they really believed in us, and we're incredibly grateful that they gave us this so that we can give you guys this.
So basically, the whole process started because so Sonam and I have been sort of dressing each other up since we were babies, especially me with Sonam, because I was always someone who wanted to put something together, and Sonam was always more of a dreamer, and when I came back from college and she was doing Delhi 6 and she was doing the promotion, it just started off as, should I wear this or what do you think about that? And I'd be like, no, just because I'm a control freak, I'm just like, do this or do that. And I knew that this was an actual job that people did, maybe not in India, which is like event styling or red carpet styling at that time, but I knew it was a job that existed all over the world. So then it just organically happened that I started doing it by myself.
The first promotions that she styled me for was
I Hate Love Stories. But Delhi 6, I basically, Sonam and I collaborated. Savaria was actually my mom helping Sonam, And then because of whatever happened with fashion and all of that stuff, Sonam got so many offers in terms of, please put your name on this and call this your collection, or endorse our fashion brand or whatever. And the thing was that there were so many young girls that were following us on social media that would come up and speak to us and things like that. And I think that Sonam told me, she was like, I don't want to do this, like none of this feels right.
It's very inauthentic, and I feel like I was cheating the audience. Because if there's a collection out there which says XYZ by Sonam, or like, oh, Sonam for XYZ, and I was like, I have nothing to do with it. I was like, they basically are giving me a lot of money for putting clothes on people that I basically would not wear, don't believe, and would never design.
And the thing is that,
yes, but most people don't care about that.
No, they don't care. They want to make money. They want to do that, which is fine. Everybody loves making money. But the thing is, when you do it, I feel like there has to be an ethical way to doing it.
No, and also, like, I think that a lot of props to my mom in that way. She always made us believe that we could do whatever we wanted, and at that time, the deal that we wanted, the way that we wanted to put it across, meaning that it's our brand. Shoppers Stop is our partner, they distribute for us, and they will for the next couple of years and things like that. But at the same time, like, we wanted something of our own, something that we are responsible for.
That
that is
but nobody believed that that anybody would do that. Like, why would someone invest in you, And as young girls, you want to be entrepreneurs and you want to do things like that. So it took us a really long time. It took us close to 2 years to just put everything together in
all
terms
the bits
of the
and
structure,
pieces,
Wow. And then 2 years on the collection.
Right.
So
I have
5 years.
Gosh.